Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be reacting to APINK'S NAMJOO's solo single Bird. I'm really excited, so let's go! Oh, the Cleopatra vibes.
부서지는 듯한 기분에 숨을 쉬어 거기 뭔가 불러지는 듯한 이름에 그래 봤잖아 널 찾아 봐야지 거지도 물씨 키워봐야지
Sounds really good. Sounds really good. Like, I keep forgetting how good of a singer she is. I love the white outfits. Ooh, that red dress is nice too. It's like poppin'. I'm excited. Oh. Oh. Oh shoot, this is like really going at it. I love it. She looks great with short hair. Yeah, I didn't realize she can dance so well either. Like, oh my god. Dude, just like the beat drop. She looks great with black hair. I personally like her with black hair. I really like the choreography for this song. Ooh. Dang, look at her body. Oh my gosh, she's so skinny. Oh shoot, like who that queen? Like, oh shoot. Okay, that was so much better than I was expecting. I actually didn't watch any teasers for this song. I just heard and read that she was doing a solo debut. It's like good for her because other members like Jeonji and Hayoung have also done solo singles. So good for her. She's the next APINK member to do a single because honestly she deserves it. Actually, she's like one of my favorite members, I think. Honestly, I like all the APINK members like pretty equally. So yeah, moving on. I know this song was co-written and like basically produced by Soyeon of G-Idol, which she's like pretty poppin' right now. So like, yes, like girls can produce, like, hello. Okay. But back to the song. And back to NAMJOO, she looks great. Like, damn, like her eyes be popping, her costumes are like, wow, she looks great. Her body looks great. She dances very well. Like, I don't remember like being super wowed by like APINK choreography, like except for what was that song? It was like Dum-Dum. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but like the intricate like 2-person arm movement, I was just like, whoa, what the heck just happened right there? So there was that. But yeah, I just remember she is really good at singing, so I'm really happy that fans got to listen to her voice itself. And yeah, this was not what I was expecting. Like the beat drop when it comes to the chorus and just the choreography itself, it's very, very good. I think the song is like what? Like, it's called Bird, but I was confused why, but it's almost like rebirth kind of theme, but I have to listen to it a little bit more to like really understand the meaning. So yeah, as like first impressions go, this is actually pretty good, pretty fire. Honestly, might have to listen to it a few more times to like really get an opinion, but for first reactions, like, that was it. That's it for today's video. If you guys liked it, give it a big like. If you guys want to see more reaction videos, hit that subscribe button down below. Comment down below what you guys thought of this song. Like, do you guys know who NAMJOO is? Do you guys know who APINK is? Do y'all like the song? Like, what are your thoughts? I want to know. So yeah, like, subscribe, comment down below, and thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Because 1, 2, 3 I'm a boy.